Cool. So here we go. So Paige, just wanted to check in on the LinkedIn um, lead generation that we're running.
Yes, it's by far the most powerful platform out of any of them. With Yelp, Kijiji, AdWords, Facebook advertising, everything. It doesn't even compare to the response we get. We've already booked in realtors, property managements. My business partner cannot handle any more requests for even just phone calls. There's no time. There's legit at least 50% of people respond back that they are interested in our service.
That is so awesome. That is so awesome. I
We
can't
actually
believe that. That's crazy. Like that's huge. But it's a powerful, powerful B2B platform. So it's perfect for that. So where are you at with it right now? Like you need us to shut it down?
Yeah, no, don't shut it down. Just stop. We'll take a break because we
So just
actually,
stop. We'll stop generating leads from it.
yeah, just stop
Okay.
generating leads because we already
Okay.
have as much realtors as actually we can take on right now. We have meetings tomorrow and cleans tomorrow
Okay.
for some of the top realtors in Calgary.
Okay. So we've been running that for 3 weeks exactly.
Hmm.
How many leads have you got from it?
Today or
No, like in total, like over that period of time.
over 50% of the 10 you did a day. So that's
Okay.
minimum 5 a day. So five.
Wow. So
So
like
it's
70, over 70
at,
leads.
at least
And they're
because
all
we ran
realtors
some
and property managers, right?
tons. Yeah, they're all, and it's funny because we actually know some personally and we let them know what was going on and they're super happy.
That's cool. So we'll stop generating leads for now, and then you can just tell us when to turn it back on.
Yeah, definitely. Well, you've pretty much given us the tools to do it, right? I never
Yeah.
even would have thought LinkedIn would have. I thought
Yeah.
LinkedIn was
Look,
out at something in the
it's just a
past,
matter
but
of like doing all the front end stuff. And as long as you do the work every day, right? Like you do the 10 a day, it's powerful, powerful stuff. Um, and are any of them booking you, or what does that look like? What is
yeah,
the
we actually have a 4,000 square foot realtor clean tomorrow afternoon.
Wow. Oh my God.
And they
This is
wanted one
cool.
last night too, they called last night to do today, but we couldn't facilitate that.
Wow.
Yeah.
Apparently I know what I'm doing or something. I don't know.
And it's actually some realtors are even in Hong Kong giving us a call. So some of them are there across the world that you're actually reaching out to and they can't
Oh,
be here. And they're legitimate realtors. They're from CIR.
what?
Um,
Okay, so they're not from Calgary.
not some of them are. They must be dual citizenship or
Oh,
something
okay.
because they called us from Hong Kong, a legitimate one that they wanted. They definitely needed us to come and do their clients' cleaning.
In Hong Kong or in Calgary?
Well, they're in Calgary, but they're in Hong
Okay.
Kong right now,
That's
right? So it's
so
easier.
awesome. So they have interests in both countries. Obviously, they own, which is pretty common, right? Like because of a lot of Asian people have invested in Canadian real estate.
Hmm.
Yeah, so that's a big deal out west. I know in Vancouver, especially, it's huge.
Yes.
Um, I'm so pumped about that. That is super awesome. So now you need more staff.
Yeah. A lot more staff.
Okay, so we'll have to take that next step then.
Yep. Well,
Okay,
Angelica is doing 3 interviews as well this week. So, and
okay,
the good thing about Calgary is people actually come to the interviews.
okay, cool. All right, Paige, I'm going to just turn off the video and then we'll chat. Okay.
It was a video record.
Yeah, I was recording that.
Okay, but it wasn't a video one, right? Though, right?
Yeah, it's video.
You can see it right now, anyways. Here, where is it? Wix. Here we go. This is all just from a week of booking, and these are all individual bookings, and then I have
This is from what? From how are
just
these?
from mine in the tweaking the Google AdWords,
Yeah.
LinkedIn, and Facebook ads. Like this, I'm not joking. These are like crazy, crazy cleans we've been doing.
This is huge. So your business is blowing up right now. Like, remember when we talked 3 weeks ago? You were like, "We need work really bad because we're
Well,
sitting around doing
so
nothing."
we went from all that. This was my week. I told you, the hell week
Yeah.
where there was nothing.
Yeah.
So you go from crazy busy the week prior,
Yeah.
dead week, and then 2 weeks sock pack. I haven't even done the schedule for anymore.
Listen, I'm so happy for you right now, Paige. That's super awesome. Super awesome. I love it. So, cool. If you were going to, if somebody approached you and said, "Hey, I'm thinking of working with JD," what would you say to them?
Easily, hands down, do it. It's easily I've in the even just the month that we've been doing it, I've made back my money more than triple times, and I don't even have to wait to see the return on investment.
Cool. That's always sort of my goal, right? Like, is when people put the money up, I want to get them a return really quick so that they can take a deep breath and go, okay, yeah, that was a good investment. I didn't blow my money here. So that's why I in the first 7 days I try and get stuff going. But with you guys it was a little different just because you were so busy and we were just having trouble connecting. But I'm so glad that it's blown up the way it has for you.
Yeah, no, it's been pretty awesome with you though, because you're quick to jump on the mistakes, right? So it's not costing me money. Like
and that's important, right? Because business owners are, you've got a lot riding on it, right? Like a lot, and I mean, just a day or two letting something linger who knows what that could cost you,
Yeah, definitely. Because I need you to actually go over our Facebook one there.
Okay, great. Well, let's do that now.